Let me show you two methods how you can use second WhatsApp on your Android phone. Method 1. Go to settings and then scroll and you'll find this option apps. Click on apps and now you'll find this option app twin. In some brand it can be called dual apps or app clone. So click on this option and then you see WhatsApp and you can see there's no twin app or there's no dual app. Just enable this option from here. And now when you go back to home, you can see WhatsApp 2. You just need to click on the second WhatsApp and then choose your language, agree and continue, and then enter phone number, and then you can continue using second WhatsApp on your Android device. Let me show you the second method. So go to Play Store, then search here WhatsApp Business. Now you see the first application, WhatsApp Business. Click on install. Now you can see second WhatsApp, which is WhatsApp Business. It is a separate application from WhatsApp, but it can be used in the same way like WhatsApp. Click on agree and continue, and then enter your phone number and start using second WhatsApp on your mobile phone. If this video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, because this video takes a lot of time to create, and that will make me really happy if you subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to watch other amazing videos on my channel which will improve your technical skills.